Enjoy wearing your new Galaxy Buds Live now with two new wingtip sizes that everybody can use. To start, open the Buds case. Then, insert one earbud at a time by placing it in your ear, then sliding it slightly up into a snug fit. If the buds are pushed in too much, the mic will sound muffled. If you find the buds to be a little loose, replace the wingtips with the larger wingtip size included in your box. To do that, remove the wingtip by pulling it away from the earbud. Then align the corresponding wingtip with the small indent and wrap it around the charging contacts. Enjoy the comfort of your new Galaxy Buds Live.